Good old fries. Really? Up your vibes!
Star life. Me not give up, me not go stop try. Cause the limit is the sky. Them a go vex when them see me rise. Living the star life. Me not give up, me not go stop try. Cause the limit is the sky.
Hey guys, what's up? Camera there. Camera there already know. So today is Sunday, day after the show. So you guys must be wondering what my placing is. My placing was whatever. You wanna tell them?
First place! Woo!
What is steering and drive? So yeah, I finished 4th. That's 30. Just continue, man. I'll carry over this one. You talk a break into a. Alright, you're good. Just stay back in the car. Right, so 4th place, not bad at all. My first competition. It was a relatively tough class, you know, considering most of the guys, even though it was a novice category, you know, most of them, they have experience, they competed before, so they knew what to expect, they know how to prep and all those things. It was my first time. Started prepping in June, mid-June, so that's like 2 months. Got me 4th place, so not bad. I mean, I don't feel bad about it.
Not bad at all, man.
Yeah. So definitely this year is just, you know, an experience. I know what to do next year, what to work on, my weak points and all those things. So next year I'll be back. Bigger and better, of course. Funny enough, the guy who finished 4th last year, he won this year. So I finished 4th. So that's what's up. So we are leaving Kingston now. Gonna head back to Montego Bay, but before we do so, where we are going?
Devon House.
We are going to Devon House. We are get some good ice cream. We deserve it. We deserve it. We're gonna get some ice cream and all them stuff there. And then we're gonna stop down at Angels. That's it, basically. Get some KFC. Run. It's a pizza down there too. It's a burger down there too. So we go get all this food. We have pig out. We'll have all the videos for you guys, don't worry. flat today because you're tired. Really tired.
Tired, oh God.
Tired.
My eyes were swollen this morning and I had a headache. I had a terrible.
You beat out, man, trust me. It's not easy. We didn't even get to do any footage last night because of how tired we were.
Why did you get the production though?
Yeah, raw footage.
Raw footage. We don't care.
Yeah, edit. Say things.
Well, let's have anything. You have to edit up some things, man.
Maybe look a bit.
Fit for airplane.
Maybe look a
Stay
bit.
in this lane.
No, go in the right lane. So we're gonna never know, so I get some ice cream and all them something.
So go around this car.
Some nice treats, yeah. I guess I was just eating and my brother cooked me up some good food, barbecue fried chicken, rice and peas, pasta, coleslaw, and blend up raw peanut, guineas, oats, supper jam. We just have that.
Going there next week.
We're gonna be doing. So the eatings are done yet, we have more. So when we reach Devon, I was willing to go back to him. Thank you, sir. Holy moly. Place with water.
More ice.
We just know wait. Get things
Huh?
Can't talk to me, I talk to the people.
We're not loud enough.
We're not here.
We're not here, them not here, you know.
I hear you now.
I'm there from here.
I know, because you know we are talking.
Ask them if they might hear you.
Not hearing you.
You know we are talking.
I remember what we said. We do the place with order. Bye. Tell them what we buy. I mean, wait until we get it.
Then wait.
Then wait. I don't tell them yet. Place with order. We'll see then. I wait for receipt. So we say I wait for food. We just have to hold on. Alright.
We're gonna have to go.
Boom! We are back. And as promised,
Why you get some big cup with your little cup? What the cup for?
food,
Oh.
food.
But you should have full this cup here too.
Why? We have one big Pepsi already. Really? Oh, we have Pepsi. Alright.
Alright, go ahead.
Here,
Fine.
hold this. I want to see what we get. Let's show them. Let's show them it's heavy. It's
Oh
coming.
God, people is having so much
It's
fun.
coming.
It is just.
Boom! Oh, my God. Whew. Spicy barbecue original. Zine.
It's,
Well,
yeah, them supposed to know your favorite combo.
Boom. Zinger.
You can't go bad piece where you go like you come.
I'm so bad, let me show them what I'm going to make them more run water first. And of course we have corn, 3 of them.
Realize this
Again.
is your favorite combo.
What again we have? Oh man. You know how long we don't eat them or something, bridging? Months! Good old fries. Really? You're having food orgasm.
Maybe that up.
What is in that back? More fries? Hold on, let me biscuit. Oh. I'm gonna have to go back in there. Buttermilk biscuit. Oh my God.
You want some of this?
Huh?
You go want some of this?
I'm trying to start chicken in there. Let me
You
make more
don't care?
some. You know, so I can't tell me the last time we do. The last time we do eating challenge, KFC eating challenge. You want to eat out what? 7% chicken? You can only eat 5. 7 piece if you want to see that video there. Just go through the videos and you know you see it. Go and go search for it. KFC eating challenge. And of course, good old Pepsi to wash it down.
Can you get some?
Nothing healthy about this weekend. We
Can you get
deserve
some?
it.
You can get drinks? You got me. Okay, you spend your time by checking up.
Hold on, let me show them get it up close and personal. Hold on. See that? That's a go on. Babes, we just eat so where drinks come?
Yeah, drinks. Yeah, it's in the same bag as the kids.
Which one?
The same bag as
Oh.
Did you ever sell so much stuff to them?
Danik?
Yeah, we sell so much stuff to them a long time. I eat them something here.
Oh, you hear that? Oh shit. Oh.
Come.
Oh man.
God. Oh God, Ray. We will not
This?
be drawn back into this life.
Listen, right now,
I refuse
not-
to
me
be
not
drawn
have-
back
right
into
now?
this life.
Me not no counting of calories, no counting of macronutrients, no watching sodium. Me no none of that right now.
When if somebody else with you, I want to walk
Well.
one in your phone.
Seasoning about
What flavor is that?
Tropicana.
No, chocolate. That's too healthy.
Really?
Why not Tropicana?
Oh, hold on. I'll show them something yet. Turn over.
Oh,
Look at what we got for you guys.
meals
Good
cup
old pizza.
empty.
Where do this? Show it already.
Let me chew it over belly.
Hold on.
No, no, understand.
So what going on there? Now see it?
I hope you guys are seeing it.
Oh my god.
What the
Oh, it's hot.
Then you cannot eat.
Hold it for me.
Yeah, make a mess of myself. Make this some more juice.
Yeah, go too hard, no? What is that you can eat already?
Oh God, we didn't even finish one yet. Make it look so. I'm not that greedy. I make it people them get the ideas and be greedy. Oh God.
You can't eat enough to make her prettiness food in her ear. She can't yam.
People them in there must
Hey,
like
what you eat?
T6.
You have to get something fancy, though. Where's the people in my bus are watching?
most. We say for first we eat KFC.
You don't say they watching? Oh. I see your oil. I see your crispy skin. It's all going down.
You see, Danny can't wait for eating it because she's been eating all along, you know. Still I got Burger King when he wants, still eating chicken and fries when he wants, everything. Who are we? You want me crust, Danny? Want me crust?
All of this are good on today. Oh, we're still in Kingston, you know. We're doing the Angels. Where place name? Angel?
Angels are since Kingston that's Spanish town.
Well, we just know some of the Angels. So, 7 o'clock. We're still going there.
It's 7 o'clock already? Wow. You realize that for where you come from 3 hours ago?
We're just 2 hours away. We're not in a rush, our cruise go down. So, what do you want to do? You want to watch we eat while we drive or what?
Hold it, hold it. Hold it.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
What?
This cat mega drive now. Maybe just,
Whoops.
I never know so it late. Alright, my second cup done.
You finish your card now? You finish your card now?
No?
I'm making a mess.
Really, babes?
yourself. Ah, the nightlife. Why we make night catering?
Are your fault? One got different house and all these things.
Well,
Stop and buy this one bag of food full of family.
it was worth it. I mean, I regret nothing.
No.
But that's sign they say.
Says.
Me
That's why I tell you I don't want to drive
you
fast
drive,
because
me
it
drive.
said Montego be straight ahead.
Uh-huh.
And Lindsay
Then
over
said
there.
you are turn.
So I must keep straight.
Keep straight.
Okay. It's the first time driving on this highway at night. Don't feel me at driving at night.
Yep. Food still there. Food still there. Anik, you want a burger? Huh?
Why?
It's full. It was a piece of it though.
Oh no, you tell them say you eat your dinner?
Huh?
Hmm?
You eat your dinner, you know, you eat dinner, you know, people?
Yeah, me dinner, yes.
He had his dinner.
I did tell them, man.
One nice big plate of rice and peas and barbecue fried chicken and all the
And coleslaw, pasta,
drinks what you drink.
drinks, Guinness, raw peanut, supper then. What else is in there? Milk. Not medicine, man.
If you're not running belly sitting around, man, I'm going to vlog you running belly. Now yourself.
Like that. Want some? Stay on the road.
I'm on the road, man.
Just saying, don't turn down into any deep.
Like you did the last time?
Turn down any dark road.
Like you did the time when you let me tell us, oh, don't do that thing, and you yell
Technically, I was still on the road.
and then you're gone down in a one dungeon.
We're still up on the road. We're there, Zine, and we're up on the highway. We're on the highway. So we decided to turn off. We like to see how dark the place be. So we go pull over a little bit to see how dark it really is. Ready? Turn off before one car come. Jesus.
Turn off your drink,
Turn off your light. Turn off your... That's how dark it is.
Oh, I'm not something more as a person.
The brake light is on it.
Huh? Yeah. Wait, one more thing.
No, the white people saying screwdriver.
You ever watch them horror movie?
Alright, no.
The white people
The dark one.
You ready now?
Yeah, because white people say screwdriver.
You watch them horror movie, Danny? And people like we get taken, you know?
Yeah, because we top with this.
We top in that middle of nowhere, right?
Experiment.
Because metal trucks will run out of
Check something. Check one. Hey, we shouldn't get to see it even playing us.
No, it has some music, you know.
Come, Rance, come and see.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Kumbaya.
Lord.
Danny,
Yes.
come and see. Kumbaya, my lord.
Blow your hand, blow your hand, blow your hand. Yeah, so we have this thing whenever we're going under the bridge. We honk the horn. Huh? You finish
Danny,
it?
make you have to go and sleep. It's so boring.
Because we have work.
Everybody have work.
Earlier morning.
You two we have work earlier morning.
Oh, yeah, I go wake up like 6. No, not even 6, like near 7 o'clock. I'm going to wake up like 4:30.
Yeah, at least you're coming back home 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Me I go from 8.
No.
Me I go from 8 to 4. Then go back 11 to 7 at night. think about that.
Well, guess what? You know what help if you don't nap in a car right now? Because
You know, you can't nap when the driver is driving. The driver will fall asleep. Where you get that from?
Okay, so Ryan stays awake. I take the first shift until kitchen me. Son of the police. Son of the police.
Steady 100 and not going faster than that, Ryan.
Yo! So we still there, what are vibes? We still up on way. Almost reach Montego Bay. Where are we now? Trelawney? St. Anne. So we just say what are vibes, yeah? Wallet!
The boy girl walk out and a cry. She say the girl she say you be a food in my bite. Say she not this a one yeah the joke. But I'm like me don't talk and them watch the soup.
Red light vibes. I want to fry this.
Still at egg.
Still at egg.
Me no care, me no guys, he go cry, no shed a tear. Bleach out of the girl, them a penny. Cause I'm in set, what is the enemy? Who not need a my best friend? Now what am I mean, I'm less than. Mama never really go from me no friend.
On the road!
The friend, you know.
A pure vibes! Back up in a days, catch up in a days. You make them a tick them, cock up in a days. Mama, so come here, mama. Brace somebody every time to mama nana. Get in a spirit and shout. Number one, that's some boss. Every gala. Really? Oh boy. So there's something. Yeah. You guessed it, you're in bed. You're just here to close out the vlog. Showing you guys that we are home safely. It was quite an eventful weekend. A very rewarding one.
Indeed.
Informative, everything good. I went on my first bodybuilding competition. Got me 4th place, which is I feel good about, taking into consideration that, I did everything by myself in terms of, I didn't get any help or advice, I pretty much did everything by myself as it relates to that. No, none of that would not have been possible. It turned for this lady right here.
Oh.
Who actually she came on board, put herself on the same diet that I was on, just to ensure that I pulled through and it did really work. So I owe it all to her, really.
No, you do all the work.
Yeah, so yep, we're tired. We're gonna hit the covers, get some rest, wake up early in the morning for work. As you can see, she is ready for bed. See them something? Yeah. So that's what's up, guys. Really? Alright. We are going then.
You want the one like a smooch? Want the one like a smooch?
What?
For the smooch. For the vlog. For the kiss for the vlog.
Kissy face.
Kissy face.
Alright guys, we're out. Remember, don't forget to like this video. And hit the subscribe button. Alright?
Yeah.
If you want to see more vlogs from us. Zane, show some love. Peace out. Bedtime.
Until next time. Bye.
Street side,